Hello, I would like to show you guys how to use a shampoo bar for those with a more curly or kinky hair. But first, I would like to show you the benefits of using a shampoo bar. Firstly, it's eco-friendly. Shampoo bars have minimal to no packaging compared to their plastic bottle counterparts. They're also travel friendly, so hopefully when this COVID thing, situation gets better, they're very handy, leak-free, safe from any liquid restrictions, and they're also economical. So these bars are so concentrated that a bar will outlast 2 to 3 bottles of liquid shampoo. Depending on the ingredients that is used, I think shampoo bars can really benefit my type of hair. So for these shampoo bars, you can see that they're very foamy, but it cleans without stripping the hair of all the oils. So the way I use it, I usually just put it on my scalp, so my hair is split in half, and I just go around my edges from the top to the back to the sides, and then all the way down my middle part. And then usually that's enough foam for me to cleanse my hair. After I use the shampoo bar, then I just use my hands to just really scrub and get the dirt off of my hair, and then I just rinse it out, and then that's it. But for other people with more thicker hair, I would recommend putting your hair in twists, and if you do that, then you can use the bar on the sections of your hair, so maybe it's still on your edges and still in the middle part, but also on the sections of where like the twists are separated. Or even if you have braids on, it's really easy to just use the bar to just try to reach your scalp. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more info about my company, Crowned Helix, you guys can go to the website, crownedhelix.com, or follow us on Instagram at Crowned Helix.